Hi, Stephen with Bellwether Exterior Renovation and Design. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of steel siding. A couple of pros: steel siding is fire resistant. It's also very durable and stable if you have the right gauge steel siding, and the better quality steel sidings come with a nice enamel finish with a special coating on it that gives them a good pre-finish warranty. Some of the cons are going to be that it's fairly expensive. It can be cost prohibitive for some people. They're getting better. The higher quality steel siding manufacturers are getting better at providing options for siding profiles and types so that you can have a really nice aesthetic with steel siding. One of the things is it can be challenging to install, and it's frequently a more costly install. So even though many people say, well, it installs just like vinyl siding, it's not as easy to handle as vinyl siding, it's not as easy to cut. You have to touch up the ends to make sure that that profile matches with all of the trim corners and accessories. So it can be a more costly install. If you ever do have a problem with your steel siding, it can be very difficult to repair. You might have to repair entire walls, and it can be very difficult to match the profiles. One thing to note is if you're going to go the route of steel siding, you want to choose the highest quality of materials, and only the highest quality of steel siding materials have the best pre-finish warranties. At Bellwether, we use the highest quality steel siding so that you can have a lifetime finish warranty associated with that product.